In this clip, we're gonna talk about how to get rid of your nightmare clients and attract the clients of your dreams. But before we do, whatever channel, whatever platform you're on, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this with your loved ones, everybody. And well, if you love business, if you love marketing, if you love productivity, you love entrepreneurship, this is all for you. So let's get started. I have our Agency Accelerator program pulled up in the back because I get so many questions around our agency, how do you grow the agency? How do you work with your dream clients? That's like the main thing, is getting the best clients. If you want to get rid of your nightmare clients, the first thing you need to do is you need to understand what you are and what you're not. Because if you don't set guidelines, if you don't define what you are, if you don't define who you are to people, people are just gonna walk right over you. They're gonna walk all over you because you might say, oh, I like to serve the $100 a month people, and then you want to serve the $10,000 a month people, and then the $100,000 a month people. These are completely different people. Maybe in the beginning, you get your feet wet, you start to work with a bunch of different people, but eventually in a year or two, you have to define who your ideal client profile is. Okay, so your ICP, you gotta define who that is. So are you looking to work with startups? Are you looking to work with venture-backed startups? Are you looking to work with kind of mom and pop shops? Or are you looking to work with enterprises only? You have to define that. And then who are you looking to work with? Is it the founder? Is it the marketing manager? And also, what kind of services would they be looking for? Is it web design services? Is it SEO services? You got to define that first. And you also have to define what you're going to tolerate and what you're not going to tolerate. If they expect you to be available all around the clock, guess what? Then you're just gonna be a slave to them. And if you cave to whatever demands they have, it's like, oh, we don't pay that way. We're only gonna pay you hourly and we're gonna pay you every 60 days or so. Guess what? You're gonna be their slave too. So you have to define what works for you. Oftentimes when you're doing a deal with somebody, it's not just about the money, it's about the terms. How are you gonna work with that person? What are the rules of engagement? Because if you don't have the rules of engagement, that's how you get nightmare clients. And by the way, when you set the ideal client profile, it actually makes it easier for yourself, for your sales team, and also for your client services team, whoever's on your team, to serve these people better because they're much more focused. Because if you try to be everything to everyone, you end up being no one. Now that you have your ideal client profile defined, guess what? You can go to your dream clients because you've started to work with some of your dream clients. Maybe you work with some of your dream clients for free initially. Let's say you want to work with companies that are only doing over $100 million a year. Work for a couple, maybe you can do like a smaller project, get your foot in the door, and then you start to work with more and more, you get more referrals. They're gonna start to trust you more because oftentimes when people come to us for a single rate My Agency, they often ask, have you worked in our industry before? Do you have examples? That often increases our conversion rate by a lot. We're talking about 2, 3, 4 times or so because we have worked in that industry and because we have experience there. Again, it all comes back to focus. People want to know that you have a track record of helping companies like this, and that's how you end up getting your dream clients. By the way, if you want to learn more about getting more clients, we actually have a program on this, on getting your dream clients, building an entire system, hiring the right people, building the agency of your dreams. Just go to singlegrain.com/live. But this will basically give you all the templates, checklists, everything that you need to build the agency or the consulting business of your dreams. All you need to do is go there. By the way, guys, let me know in the comments, what else do you think I missed from a perspective of getting your dream clients and eliminating your nightmare clients. And don't forget to rate, review, and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.